Are you looking for the best tool chests in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best tool chests 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. We have one more highly premium option designed by Husky Tools. Apart from the premium price tag, the following option is known for its storage space and multipurpose functionality. The Husky Tools Mobile Workbench, as the name suggests, is a lot more than a simple tool chest. In fact, it is a completely usable workbench on wheels that happens to have a lot of storage space within. It is rather a decent tool chest since it offers 24.5 inches deep drawers. In that, you can store almost all of your tools and you will still have some space left for additional sets. In comparison, the Husky Tools Mobile Workbench is almost twice as deep as other standard tool chests, offering you nearly 36% more storage capacity. The additional depth also increases the working space available on the hardwood top. In total, there are 9 drawers present on the Husky Tools Mobile Workbench so that you can divide your tools into various categories. For mobility, there are 4 wheels provided at the bottom of the unit so that you can shift your workbench to another location without a lot of hassle. Number 4. For those with serious projects in their shop or garage, it can be a hassle to have multiple tool chests strung across your workspace. The Ohm Tools OEM 24615 72 inches 11 drawer cabinet and upper cabinet puts your workbench and storage into one combination piece that will meet the needs of your work. Our rolling tool cabinet features 11 drawers, 2 lower cabinets, 3 upper cabinets, and a pegboard for maximizing your storage and organization potential. Take the care and organization of your tools to the next level with our Mechanic Toolbox's EVA drawer liners. Tools stay put on the rolling toolbox with wheels EVA drawer liners and won't mar against a portable toolbox with wheels 430 stainless steel. At a full extension, these toolboxes with drawers and wheels small drawers have a capacity of 100 pounds while the larger rolling tool storage drawers having a capacity of 200 pounds. Need a garage workbench? Our rolling storage cabinet worktop has you covered with a coated 1 inches thick black PVC surface for your projects. The garage toolbox pegboard keeps your frequently used tools at the ready. More valuable or sensitive tools can easily be stowed away in the tool chest combo's 18 inches tall and 12 inches deep upper cabinets thanks to the rolling toolbox cabinet's internal color-coded flat key locking system. The tool workbench's black aluminum handles hide fingerprints and grime that might accumulate as you use the large tool chest. When it's time to rearrange the shop or garage, our toolbox on wheels has you covered. Easily move the garage workbench with storage where needed with the large toolbox on wheels for heavy-duty casters. Don't bother purchasing multiple organizational and workbench systems when you could have everything in one place with the Ohm Tools OEM 24615 72 inches 11 drawer cabinet and upper cabinet. Number 3. Coming to the most premium option on our picks, we have a tool chest designed by Seville. This is arguably the largest option on our picks today with heavy-duty construction and builds quality. The Seville Classics Ultra HD is definitely the best thing for a professional workshop or office. It is basically a working table combined with a tool chest to offer 2 inches 1 functionality. The tool chest itself is made up of stainless steel, whereas the top section is made up of hardwood. Therefore, you get both a smooth working surface and an unbeatable build quality. The unit measures 72 x 20 x 37.5 inches in size, so make sure that it will fit in your working space before you buy it. With the large size, the Seville Classics Ultra HD also offers a lot of drawers alongside a large cabinet in the middle. There are a total of 12 drawers present on this unit, each covered with a protective layer on the inside. Therefore, you can rest assured that your tools will be safe and sharp inside these drawers. There are 8 small drawers, 3 medium drawers, and a single large cabinet, allowing you to categorize your tools with ease. You can also adjust the height of the Seville Classics Ultra HD within 4 positions as per your comfort. Number 2. If you are looking for an even higher capacity tool chest in the same budget range, then the following option from Onshine can be perfect for you. It comes with a lot of drawers, letting you organize your tools correctly. In second place, we have the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest. It is in a similar budget range as our last pick. But, the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest offers a total of 8 drawers along with an additional cabinet for more storage. Overall, the unit measures about 13 x 24.4 x 42.5 inches in size and is made up of stainless steel for heavy durability. The unit is also covered with anti-rust paint from all sides, so you can use it in all seasons without any problem. And as the exterior is covered by powder coating, it is also scratch and dent proof. In total, the unit has 3 small drawers, 5 trays, and a bottom cabinet for storage. Thus, categorizing and storing your tools should not be a problem. Similar to most other tool chests present in the market, the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest also has swivel casters at the bottom that allows free movement of the unit. But, there 2 of these casters are fixed, and the swivel ones feature a braking mechanism for controlled movement. As for the drawers, each of the 8 drawers present on this chest has ball bearings on the inside so that they operate very smoothly. Number 1. A lot of users prefer buying an expensive accessory such as a tool chest from a reputed brand. Thus, we will start off our list with the most popular brand called Gopolis. Coming in the first position, we have the Gopolis Rolling Tool Chest. This is quite a popular option as it is a budget-friendly option that offers a lot of storage capacity for the price. It features a large chest that comes with 6 drawers and a cabinet at the bottom. It is made up of high-quality cold-rolled steel, so build quality is certainly not a concern. It also has an anti-rust coating on top to prevent all sorts of environmental damage. In total, there are 4 small drawers and 2 large drawers available along with 2 small trays. The upper box storage on the Gopolis Rolling Tool Chest is completely detachable from the set, serving as a portable unit in case you have to carry your tools with you. All of the drawers on the Gopolis Rolling Tool Chest are secured by a key lock so that your tools will be safe even when you are not at your office or workshop. The Gopolis Rolling Tool Chest also has 4 swivel casters that let you easily move the unit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.